If you're looking to refresh, rejuvenate, and hydrate your skin, look no farther than salmon sperm. What? Yes, it is actually one of the most popular technologies coming out of Korea that's widely popular throughout Europe. Why salmon sperm? Well, actually, their DNA is not so far off from our own, and the salmon sperm, or specifically the building blocks of DNA that we're getting from the salmon sperm, is what we're using to help our own skin refresh, turn back the clock, produce more collagen, have better hydration and elasticity, because it is the building block. So if we're having a microneedling, if we're doing microneedling with radio frequency, any type of laser procedure, it's a great way to provide those extra building block nutrients so that we can really turn our cell production up and boost how our skin appears. What product am I talking about? I am talking about Rejuran. Rejuran uses that salmon sperm DNA, specifically PDRN, to harness our skin's ability to heal itself and provide it with the nutrients it needs to really make that happen. So with PDRN, we're not talking about just growth factors. We're not even talking about exosomes. We're talking about the actual building blocks for new DNA and production. Rejuran comes in 3 great products to really deliver what we need for our skin. One of the first products is actually their booster. The booster is really targeted for those with pigment issues because along with the PDRN, it also has some of those brightening agents that we've really come to rely on to help, without using hydroquinone, boost and brighten our skin. So I really love the booster for patients who tend to be worried about melasma, hyperpigmentation, darker skin types. It really allows for better healing, better recovery, and a better result for those pigment issues. For the biggest boost to really employ what the PDRN, the salmon sperm, is providing to us, I would recommend the Healing Essence. The Healing Essence has the highest concentration of PDRN, so it's really going to boost for those crepey skin, for that dehydrated skin, for winter skin. It's going to really provide the most concentrated punch of healing, as well as hydration and returning luminosity to the skin. How does a Rejuran treatment work? The treatment process for Rejuran is simple and effective. We are essentially cleaning your skin, then doing whichever procedure we were planning, microneedling with radio frequency, any number of lasers, applying the Rejuran afterwards, and you get the benefit of improved hydration, smoother texture, and a radiant, youthful glow to your skin. So if you're ready to give your skin the ultimate boost in hydration, collagen production, and brilliance, call today for your appointment and ask about Rejuran.